Yeah, hello everyone. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. I welcome you all to today's AWS and DevOps demo session. Yeah, I'll just give a 2 minutes introduction about our website and the social media handles as well. Then I'll just hand over the session to Aravind Garu, our instructor. We'll move to the technical session like within 2 to 3 minutes. So this is our website. We have a website called rajinformatica.com. In our website, like you can check out all these courses. Okay, so these are the courses that we are providing here. So if you can check out here, there is a new trainings are available here. Salesforce, cybersecurity, Azure data engineering and Databricks, AWS and DevOps, Snowflake, GCP, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, Python for kids, Power BI, Python for Python full stack development, Python for AI and ChatGPT, and Tableau. These are our courses. You can check out all these courses in the courses section here. Okay, you can check out all these courses here. And in our website, like we have a many useful information as well. If you can just go to the interview section, you can find out like many interview questions are also available here. In the material section, like we have like many useful materials also available here. So just go through once, you'll understand like very clearly about these things. I'm sharing the like website link in the chat box. You can check out using this link. And even you can check out the like a new upcoming batches as well here. You can check out here upcoming free live sessions, AWS and DevOps, Snowflake and Salesforce. Okay, you can just click on any of them and you can just like fill the form so that like you will be getting the that particular Zoom link as well. We have a YouTube channel as well. So this is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Trainings. We have almost 35.4K subscribers here. So many useful videos are available in our channel. If you can visit our channel once, then you'll be find out like many courses also. So Snowflake, Salesforce, Kids Coding, Power BI, Cybersecurity, Informatica Power Center, many interview questions. So many things are available here. And this is our Instagram page for the job openings. Just follow our Instagram page so that like you'll get all the job openings here. You can check out the highlights also, so you'll get all the job openings here in our Instagram page as well. I'm sharing both our YouTube channel link and Instagram channel link so that you can follow our page and you can subscribe to our channel so that you'll get all the updates from Raj Cloud Technologies. So just stay connected till end of the session. So we have some special prize available for everyone today, whoever attended today's session. So you have a special prize. So just stay connected till end of the session so that you'll get the special prize as well. Just we take a 30-second small break. Just we take a 30-second small break. Please share your name and WhatsApp number as well so that like my team will be adding you to the AWS and DevOps real-time project WhatsApp group, and we'll also share today's recording session also. Okay, we'll share these two things with you. Just share your name and WhatsApp number in the chat box so that you'll receive all this information on your WhatsApp message. Yeah, we'll take a sharp 30-second break and I'll hand over the session to the Arvind Garu. So from there, like sir will take over from here. Yeah, thank you for sharing your contacts. All your contacts will be like added to the WhatsApp group. If you haven't posted yet, you can share. You can share me. Well, Arvind Garu, like over to you.
Thanks, Karthik. Hi everyone, myself Arvind. I have total 9+ years of IT experience in AWS as well as DevOps. And from last 4 years onwards, I'm teaching AWS, DevOps, Linux. We have a new batch starting from next week onwards. So this is an introduction class. Today I'll explain you what is Amazon Web Services, what is cloud computing, difference between physical servers, cloud infrastructure, what is the use of AWS, who can learn. All these things will cover today. Course introduction. So it is completely AWS as well as DevOps online classes. This course, after completing this course, you can apply for job roles like cloud architect, AWS developer, AWS cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, cloud infrastructure administrator, any types of DevOps roles as well as AWS roles you can apply for. In AWS, there are plenty of services, like more than 200+ services are there. Not all those 200 services are required to get the job or to work in any project. Hardly in our project, we work 5 to 10 services, hardly, max to max. So in our course, I'm explaining you around 20+ services. These services are more than enough to clear the interviews, to clear the AWS certification also. Along with 20+ AWS services, I'll cover 10+ DevOps tools like Git, Maven, Docker, Jenkins, Terraform, Kubernetes, Ansible. This kind of DevOps tools also covered. It includes 5 real-time projects in both AWS as well as DevOps. And end of the course, I'll guide you how to prepare resume. And interested people can attend mock interviews also. Every day, I'll give assignment based on the topic, whatever we are discussing in the class. So you need to do the same thing practically. After each class, our team will share you the recorded video of that session, which you will have lifetime access for that. And the duration of course is 60 days. Classes will be from Monday to Friday onwards, daily 1 hour session. So this batch is starting from next Monday onwards. That is May 4th, I think. Yeah. Timings of this batch is evening at 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Whatever the knowledge I share you in these 2 months of course duration, with that knowledge, you can attend interviews by keeping 3 years of experience in AWS. You can tell like you have 3 years of experience, 3.5 years of experience in AWS. Though you don't have any experience in AWS, I will guide you like you are an experienced candidate. How much experienced candidate will have knowledge, that knowledge I'll give to you in this 2 months of course duration. What are the prerequisites to learn AWS? You need to have basic computer knowledge. Along with that, you should be aware of Linux commands. A Linux operating system also you should be aware of. Even if you don't know Linux, no problem. We will start the course first with Linux commands. What is Linux? Linux commands, launching Linux machine. Once we are good at Linux, then only I will start AWS. After AWS, only DevOps. Then what are the prerequisites to learn DevOps? To learn DevOps, you need to have knowledge on one of these cloud platforms and Linux operating system. So you just come with blank knowledge, zero knowledge. I'll take care of everything. You no need to have any programming knowledge background, scripting language background, nothing. If you just know how to work with a computer, that's sufficient. Everything I'll take care. I'll teach from scratch. Okay. Now coming to the topic. What is today's topic? AWS. So before understanding what is Amazon Web Services, we need to know few things. Like, what is the difference between a computer and physical server? So we all know a computer will have a maximum RAM of 16 GB. Either computer or laptop, anything will have maximum 16 GB RAM, 16 CPU cores, 1 TB storage. It depends on the brand, price varies. Some computers will get for 60,000, some for 80,000, some 1 lakh. It depends on the brand. Whereas a physical server looks like this object. For a physical server, you will get RAM means memory, maximum 2048 GB RAM. Whereas for a server, maximum only 16 GB. But for a physical server, Starting from 1 GB to up to 2048 GB RAM you will get. And CPU cores, 496 CPU cores. Storage, you will get up to 64 terabytes of storage. And the price of the server also more. It is around 10 lakh rupees. Each server price, physical server price is 10 lakh. So why you are explaining about server? What is a need means? I have a dream from my childhood to start a software company. To start any IT company, I need a setup like this, a data center setup. To set up this infrastructure, you need like minimum hundreds of servers. Like if you take at least 100 servers, if you purchase at least 100 servers, each server price is 10 lakh. 10 lakh into 100 servers, almost 10 crore rupees you need to invest only for purchasing these servers. Why you have to purchase these servers? Because to start any software company, in any software company, you need to have this setup, because all the applications, softwares will run inside this servers only. So without servers, you can't deploy any application. So first of all, you need to invest money to purchase this infrastructure. Okay, I invested 10 crores to purchase the servers. Is that sufficient? Means no, that's not sufficient. I need to install operating system also, right, inside these servers. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, these versions won't support for any physical servers. For physical servers, there are separate versions are designed from Microsoft company. They are Windows 2012 version, 2016 version, 2019, 2020. So these versions are only supported for servers, not supported for computers and laptops. Generally, in your laptop, if you want to install Windows 7 operating system or Windows 11 operating system, you have to purchase license from Microsoft. The genuine license cost is around 1500 rupees to 2000 rupees. But these versions of genuine licenses will cost around 40,000. To install this operating system in any of the physical server, you need to spend 40,000 for one server. 40,000 into 100 servers means almost 40 lakh rupees. Almost 40 lakh rupees we need to invest only for installing operating systems. Okay, 10 crore plus 40 lakhs we invested. Again, you need to purchase softwares to install them. So you will not get all the softwares for free. Some softwares you'll get for free, some you need to purchase paid versions. And we have to take care of maintenance. Maintenance in the sense, servers cannot run for long time continuously. In your home, if you work continuously with your computer or laptop from morning to evening, it will become heat. Your laptop will become heat. But here, these servers will run continuously like 24/7 without any break, without even a nanosecond of break also it won't take. So in that case, that servers should run for long time only in the cool temperature, balanced temperature. So you need to set up AC in your server room. That's why in all the software companies, like you will have AC, not for the software employees. That is for machines, for computers. Along with that, see, you need to, this is how a dedicated server room looks like. So all these servers should connect to internet, and for all these things, the main thing is electricity. Obviously, I should pay the electricity bill because this is my company. Electricity bills like per month lakhs of rupees. So this all comes under maintenance. Every month I have to pay like current bill, lakhs of rupees current bill, internet bill, AC I have to buy. This all comes under maintenance. And it needs at least 1 week of time to set up this infrastructure. This kind of setup, if I want to do in my office, I need at least 1 week time. Minimum to minimum 10 crores of investment is required for this kind of setup. This setup we call as physical data center or on-premises servers. Why we are calling physical data center? Because we can see these servers, we can touch them, we can access them, because these servers are in our office only. You can go to the server room, you can touch, you can see, you can access. On premises, why we are calling? Because these are beside our premises, next to our cabin somewhere, next to our room, right? So that's why we call it as on-premises server. But there is a drawback, huge drawback with physical data centers as well as this on-premises servers. First drawback is investment. Lots of money you have to invest. Second drawback, maintenance. You have to take care of maintenance. Third drawback is time. It takes lots of time to set up this infra. So to address this issue, whatever we are facing in physical data center, I told you, right, I want to start a software company, but I don't want to invest crores of rupees. I don't want to take care of maintenance. I don't want to waste of my time. That's why there is a solution called cloud computing. We can address all these issues in cloud computing. We all know Amazon company, right? Amazon company, like it's already having data center set up across the globe. In different countries, Amazon company has set up their data centers. And whoever asking the infrastructure, they will give on rental basis. Like whatever the infra, like we ask, like I'm asking to Amazon, please give me 100 servers. Okay, I will take 100 servers. Amazon, please give me 500 GB storage. Okay, you take 500 GB. Like whatever the infra I'm asking, Amazon company is giving me that infra. But how it is giving? Through a platform called AWS. Through this platform, digitally, it's like digital payments, like how you transfer the money through your net banking. Instead of going to bank, keeping the, like depositing that hard cash, you can transfer the money to your friend like just by sitting in your home, logging into net banking account digitally. You can transfer, right? Here also, whatever the infrastructure you need, you no need to go to showroom, you no need to buy, you no need to spend money. You just ask Amazon. Amazon will give you the infrastructure digitally, means virtually, through a platform called AWS. Will it give it for free of cost? Means no. Amazon will also charge based upon our usage. If I'm using 500 servers for 1 month, it will charge $100. If I'm using 100 servers only, then it will charge some for $10. It depends on our usage. So we need to pay the money. Not only Amazon, even Google company also having data centers across the globe. They also providing cloud services through GCP platform. Microsoft also having data centers worldwide. They provide cloud services through Azure platform. Can you guess any other cloud platforms other than Amazon, Google, Microsoft? Any idea? Yes, correct. We have many other like Oracle Cloud, IBM Cloud, Tencent Cloud, Alibaba Cloud. Many cloud vendors are also available other than Amazon, Google, Microsoft cloud vendors. So cloud computing is nothing but instead of buying these servers, instead of maintaining these physical data centers in your office, you can access same kind of services. You can get same services like server, storage, database on an as needed basis. Means whenever you have a need, whenever you have the requirement, you can utilize the services from a cloud provider platform like AWS. So cloud computing is like providing services whoever asking instantly through a platform like AWS. You no need to take care of maintenance. You no need of buying any infrastructure. You will just utilize the things and pay the money by month end, just like current bill. How you'll utilize and month end, you will pay the bills, right? Like that. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Once read this definition, everyone. You will understand. So cloud computing means whenever you demand, they will deliver IT resources through internet. For that, we need to pay the money. This is called cloud computing. So AWS is one of the platform which provides cloud services for us. Let me show you how like the AWS data center looks like. AWS data center in Hyderabad. I'm not showing you Amazon software company, guys. I'm showing you Amazon data center. Data center is not a software company. Data center is a place where you have lakhs of servers. See here, Amazon data center near to Pharma City, outskirts of Hyderabad. It has set up with within an area of 3,600 acres. Then investment of around 2,700 crores. Inside that building, it looks like this. Like you'll see these kind of servers inside. So we are not going to purchase servers. We are not going to maintain them in our office. On behalf of us, Amazon company only buying the servers in different countries, keeping the setup, taking care of maintenance, and it is providing services to the users who is asking. Just I'll give one example. If you want to travel like from one place to another place, you no need to buy the car. Investing 10 lakh, 20 lakh rupees, you no need to buy the car. Instead, there is an option. Ola company, Uber company, these companies are there, right? They are providing cab services. Whoever asking for a ride, whoever in need, you can book the service through a platform like Ola app, Uber app. Instantly, they will provide you service by coming to your home. They'll pick up you and they'll drop you at the destination. For the ride, whatever you went through that cab service, they will charge you some particular amount based on the ride. 10 kilometers means 200, 20 kilometers means like 400 rupees. Once they drop you at the location, you have to pay the money. That's all. There is no relation between you and the driver because you utilize the service. Are you going to take care of that cab maintenance? Means no, you are not going to take care of cab maintenance. Who is taking care of maintenance? Ola will take care of the cab maintenance. But we are just customer. We are a user. We are utilizing the service only. Same here also. Instead of buying the servers, Amazon is having data center set up across the globe. They are providing us services. Whatever the services we utilize, they will charge the amount. Okay, everything is fine. But what we'll do in the software company once we get the job in AWS? Are we going to write programs? Are we going to do testing? Means no. So how does AWS helpful for us in the software field? Means you see any application like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Hotstar, Netflix, any kind of application. All these applications are running. Say you type just www.flipkart.com. I'm seeing Flipkart application. But where this Flipkart application is running, this Flipkart application is designed by developers, like some Java developers or .NET developers. They have designed the application. They have written the code in Java, somewhat .NET programming language. Then testing people, they tested the application, whether the application is working fine or not. But where does AWS comes under here means at the final stage. Final stage means this application where it is running, this application is running on servers. Who will create that server? Not developer, not testing team. Cloud engineer, DevOps engineer has to do that. These people, cloud engineers, they have to create the infrastructure. How many servers are needed? What kind of storage need? How much RAM need? Like they have to create the servers. On that servers, finally, the deployment will happen. Who is deploying the application? Developers will not deploy. Testing people won't deploy. As a cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, we have to deploy that application. Whatever the app developed by the developers, they will give it to us. As a cloud engineer, we have to take that app, we need to deploy in the infrastructure. Then the application will come into the live. Means then only users from different places like all over the world, they can able to access our website. Okay, our main thing is like creating the infrastructure and deploying the applications. This is important. So developers will do their job until developing the application, but how it will come live into the picture, that's because of DevOps engineer, cloud engineers. Till here, any doubts? I'm giving unmute option to all. Yeah, I'm giving unmute option. All if you have any doubts, you can ask. Fine. If you don't have any questions, next topic is AWS global infrastructure. Amazon company has set up their data centers worldwide in 36 regions as of now. They are in different places. In India, there are only 2 data centers. One is in Hyderabad region. It is launched in 2022 with 3 zones, and the other one is in Mumbai region, that is in the year 2016. Similarly, we have AWS data centers in many regions like Australia, Sydney, Melbourne, South Africa, Cape Town. The first Amazon data center is launched in North Virginia in the year 2006. 19 years back only, Amazon has started their data center in one region. Then it's expanding. It started expanding the data center slowly. From one region, it came till now 36 regions, and few more regions are adding. These red color dots are like the works are going on. It's in progress in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, in Germany also coming soon, in Taiwan also coming soon. New Zealand also, the data centers are coming soon, Amazon data center. As of now, we have 36 regions, Amazon having data centers, Amazon company. So this is about AWS global infrastructure. So these are the different cloud vendors providing cloud services like AWS Cloud, Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, IBM Cloud, Salesforce Cloud, Oracle Cloud, Tencent Cloud. Among them, the most popular cloud and the most used one is AWS. Every year, AWS stands in the first place with more cloud share market. In 2021, 22, 23, like till date, AWS is in the first place. What is the use if AWS is in first place means? Obviously, AWS projects will be more. If AWS projects are more, then the companies will look more for AWS skill set people instead of Tencent Cloud, instead of IBM Cloud. Companies will more look for AWS skills. Then you will have like obviously more opportunities, right? Compared to other cloud platforms. These are the different types of certifications in AWS. The starting basic one is cloud practitioner. It associates at foundational level, we have cloud practitioner. Then see, this cloud practitioner is very easy to crack this certification. It is very easy. You need to book the slot in Amazon website, www.amazonexams.com, some website. You need to log in there, create your account. You have to pay the money around 10,000 rupees to Amazon company. Then your slot will be decided like on May 1st, May 2nd, some date time. You have to book the slot. Exam will be for 2 hours. They will ask around 65 questions. You need to attempt 48 correctly. If you attempt minimum 48 correctly, then you will get AWS certified cloud practitioner. Next level is associate. In this level, we have 3 types: solutions architect, SysOps administrator, and AWS developer. These 3 certifications comes under associate level. These are like 10th class exams. This is like nursery class. This is like degree, VTech, that kind of levels I'm telling. This is basic. This is like not basic. It's like more than moderate. This is like professional. At professional, we have 2: solutions architect and DevOps engineer. Is it mandatory to do certification? Means no, not at all mandatory to do the certification. If at all you do certification, that is like obviously helpful for your profile, but not at all mandatory. Obviously, they will look only your performance in the interviews. Clearing certification is very tough compared to attending the interviews, clearing the interviews. With my course content, after learning the course, which certifications you can crack means you can crack cloud practitioner, in associate level solutions architect, SysOps administrator, developer. These 4 certifications you can crack with our course content. If at all you practice daily, you will learn. If you learn whatever I'm teaching, just by listening to the course, you can't clear these certifications. You need to practice. Practice is very, very important. Okay. And who can learn this AWS course? Anybody. See, anybody who finished their graduation, who is from non-IT field, who is from IT field, everyone can learn this. If you have any questions, please unmute and ask. Okay. Seems like
How to
you're saying something.
is it useful for career gap?
Yes, you can fill the gap with this experience.
Okay. So what are the roles will be available in this AWS? Only is there any coding development or any other administrator like that?
If you learn AWS and DevOps, you can apply for any kind of roles like cloud architect, AWS developer, AWS cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, cloud infrastructure administrator. See, these are just names, but the work will be same. Okay. It depends on company to company. In my case only, in my current company, my role is senior cloud engineer. In my previous company, my role is cloud infrastructure administrator. Before that company, my role is DevOps engineer. So everywhere the work is same. It depends on the company. The roles depends on the company and project. Okay, you should not worry about the.
What are how it is calls right now?
You're asking about calls.
Yeah, calls.
If you keep minimum 3 years of experience, then definitely you will have more calls compared to like 1 year, 2 years of experience. Because people, companies, they will look for an experienced candidate, right? Mostly. They expect like the people should do work on AWS and DevOps. If you keep just 1 year experience in AWS and DevOps, they won't expect anything from you. If you keep minimum 3 years, then okay, this person can do our tasks like that. They will keep some expectations on you, and then you will get more calls.
It is a round the clock job or any shift?
It depends on company to company.
Okay.
Depends on your project also.
You're telling that allocating servers and deploying all those things, you can make it is around the clock thing. I think so.
No.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions from anyone?
Yes, Raj.
Yes, Sandesh.
Yes. So currently I was working with one of the ETL developer tool from last 3 years. So how could it help me like learning this AWS?
That's ETL, right? You said.
Yes,
How many years of experience you have?
3 years.
See, ETL, AWS, both are like contrast. There is no relation between ETL and AWS. Okay.
Okay.
If your question how it will be helpful means, if you learn this course, AWS, definitely I will teach you with at least 3 years of experience and knowledge. Means I'll give you knowledge transfer of 3 years of experience candidate. How much he have that knowledge, I'll share to you. So what you need to do is, after the course completion, you have to prepare your resume in a way your complete IT career started in AWS. You are working in AWS and DevOps. Like you're now looking for a new job, new role in AWS and DevOps. Like you will say, like you have 3 years of experience in AWS. Now I'm looking for like company change. You are looking for like job change, but not domain change. You should not tell like I worked in ETL for 3 years. I learned this course in Raj Cloud. I'm looking for AWS position means they'll directly, first of all, they won't call you also.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you said, right, ETL, this one. See, ETL is a tools are not used in all project, tools are not used in all companies. Like
Yes.
same ETL tool. But cloud is not like you go any company, any project nowadays, cloud is everywhere. Any project, cloud is a mandatory. Earlier, like before cloud is not there, like people, like companies used to have their own data centers, own physical servers. That time when cloud is not there. But now when cloud is available, like everyone is utilizing cloud. So definitely you'll have more positions, more opportunities, and more demand. Any other questions?
Aravind, is deploying application means we can deploying the application after you can checking the smoothly running the application or not. This role will be expect in this architect.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, what is exact will be get work here?
In this course, I will show you how to create the infrastructure in AWS. So for example, let me log into AWS account. So you all have to create your AWS accounts. In the next session, I'll show you. Like once the regular classes starts, there I'll show you how to create AWS accounts and all. Once you create your AWS account, you need to log into your account. It's just like a net banking. I'm logging into my AWS account. Now, I want two servers. I want two servers to create. So you need to decide where you want to launch the servers. AWS has many data centers. Right now I'm in Tokyo. So where you want to launch, in Virginia or California or Mumbai or Singapore, Sydney, like you need to choose. I want to launch in Tokyo only. Then okay, fine. If you want to launch in Virginia, then click on Virginia. Then your dashboard will change to North Virginia. Now, if you want to launch in Tokyo only, then switch to Tokyo. Like these are all data centers. So in which region you create the infra, that infrastructure is dedicated to that region only. It will not replicate in other regions. Okay, fine. I have chosen Tokyo region. Like what is my goal? I want to launch servers. In AWS, we have many servers, also many services. Which service is used for launching servers means EC2 service is used to launch servers. So click on EC2. Here, this service is used for launching virtual machines. Click on launch instance. Instance means server. I'm launching one server. You can give name for your server. I'll give name as my first server. My first server. Which operating system you want to install, whether Amazon Linux or Mac, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, SUSE Linux, Debian, choose. I'll choose Amazon Linux only. You have different versions in Amazon Linux again. Let me go with Amazon Linux too. And how many CPUs you want, how much RAM you need, you can choose here. Like only one CPU, 0.5 GB RAM, one CPU, 1 GB, one CPU, 2 GB. Like you decide how much configuration you want to choose for your server. I will go with one CPU and 1 GB RAM. Next, key pair. It's like security kind of thing. Then security group, web server. Storage, how much you need, 8 GB you need or 80 GB or 10 GB, choose how much storage you need. Then how many servers you want to launch. I want to launch 2 servers at a time. Click on launch instance. It did not took more than 1 minute also. I launched 2 virtual machines in Tokyo region. See, just now it launched my first server, running. It will also come to running state. So this is how we create infrastructure. We launch servers, we create storages, we deploy applications. This is just a sample I have shown you. The same class I will show you. Same thing in our regular class I'll show you for 1 hour in detail. Whatever I have shown you in 1 minute, that I'll explain you in detail for 1 hour. Who is this? Someone asked the question, Shailesh, or who is this? Okay. Any other questions? I'm terminating. I'm deleting the instances, whatever I have launched now. No questions? See, you guys have to ask questions. If you have any doubts, technically, non-technically, then only I can answer, right?
Hello, Arvind. Hello.
Arvind,
Yes.
so you have created 2 servers now. So is it chargeable?
Of course, yes. It depends on the usage.
Okay.
I did not keep the servers running not even more than for 5 seconds also, right? Immediately I terminated. Generally, how
Yes.
they will charge means like per month. If you are running the service continuously for 700 hours, they'll charge from $5 like that. You can check the
Okay.
billing in billing dashboard here. Like whatever the accounts we are creating, these are free account for practicing purpose. So these are not like you no need to pay anything for these things. But in real time in the companies, you have to pay there. Like you means not you, client will pay the money there.
Okay.
I got around $6 billing this month. In April month, I got $6. I won't pay the bill $6. Next month also I won't pay. So what they'll do, Amazon people, Arvind is not paying the bills, right? So let's suspend the account. They'll suspend the account. What I'll do again, I'll create one more account. Again, I'll not pay bill for 2 months. They'll suspend. Again, I'll create one more account. This is free tier account. So even if they suspend the account, no problem for me. But in organization, if they suspend your account, everything will be freezed. You can't proceed. It's not like you can't create one more account. There you have to pay the bills. Client will pay the bills there.
But while creating an account, I think it asks for the like credit card to add the credit card and an account.
Yes, you need to use different email ID every time. You can use same.
Okay. Okay.
Karthik, are you there?
Yes, Aravind, I'm available. Please tell me.
Yes, you can take over from here.
Okay, Aravind, thank you so much for the session. So I hope like everyone got a good knowledge on AWS and DevOps now. So see, like if you have any questions, any technical questions, see any career doubts questions, like whatever the questions you have, you can just like unmute and you can speak. No need to worry about that. If you're unable to speak, if you're in some other areas, you can just text in chat box as well. Okay, so like anything you can do it and you can clear all your doubts like what you have. When you clear the doubts, then only like you can enroll the courses, right? So if you have any questions, you can ask us, please. Once the technical sessions are once the technical doubts are completed, then I'll just like tell you about the special price and the enrollment procedure and like how we'll be getting in these things in this course, like what and all you are going to get. Everything I'll just like tell you on these things. At least can I get anything yes in the chat box so that like you got cleared about your technical doubts? If you don't have any technical doubts, then I'll start the just like registration process, how it will be and all. I'll just like show you those things. Can I get yes in the chat box?
And one more doubt.
Please go ahead. Yeah.
So is there any languages required to learn AWS Cloud?
Arvind Garu, can you please take up the question?
Yeah, can you repeat the question?
Is there any languages need to learn AWS Cloud?
Not required.
Yeah, okay. It's basically we go on completely AWS Cloud tool and like completely on servers, right?
AWS is not a tool. It is a platform where vendors like Amazon provide cloud services. We create infrastructure and we deploy the applications in that. So we need scripting languages like YAML or JSON. I'll explain YAML scripting language, but you don't need to learn any programming language for AWS.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Arvind Garu, there are a few questions in the chat box. So like one student is asking, with a 3 years experience in DevOps, what standard package I can expect?
It depends on your current package. So if your current package is high for 3 years, maybe if your current package is 6 lakhs, 6 is like very less only, of course. If you have 6 lakhs, you can expect 12 lakhs, 100% hike means. Already if you have like 15 lakhs of package, you can't expect 100% there because your package is already high, so you can't expect more. Hardly they'll give 50% hike. So it purely depends on your current package only.
And there is a question from one more student. Hi, I am from civil background. Now I have decided to change my career. Can I start my career in IT as a fresher? Can someone mention your passed out year also, please? Just mention the passed out year.
See, though you are a civil engineer, like from civil field, if you're coming, not at all a problem. See, I taught AWS and DevOps thousands of people. From them, like more than more than 1,000 people from different field. Like they're not from CSE, computer science background. They're from EC, civil, mechanical. Because software, like already who is in software field, like already they'll get jobs like easily because of their already previous knowledge. But like civil, mechanical, these people, if they don't get placement in their college, again what they'll do, they'll look for IT field only. In any college you take, if they're not getting jobs in core field, they'll look for again software side. So many people who is working in IT companies are from different fields also. You no need to worry. I'll teach you, even if you're from civil engineering, I'll teach you everything from scratch. You'll understand. It's not about civil engineer, mechanical, software, what is that, computer science background. No, everyone is equal here because even a computer science background person also don't know anything AWS. Maybe he's good at Java, but he don't know anything about AWS. That's why he came here to learn AWS, right? So everyone is equal here. Everybody will learn from scratch only again.
And like this student passed out year is 2022. So definitely like you can try with like a 2 to 3 years of experience. For sure, you can easily crack the interview. In that way, our course will be. So still I can expect any questions, any technical questions,
Yeah,
anything if you have. Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Aravind, this career gap is 10 years, more than 10 years. Is it okay for that?
Sorry, what are you saying? Career gap 10 years?
Yeah.
No, I didn't listen your question properly.
Yeah, my career gap is 10 years. Huh?
Okay. So
Yeah,
before that 10 years, like already you are into IT or some different field?
Yeah, in teaching itself.
Okay, what you need to do, you have to keep only 3 years of experience in IT, though you are at 25th, I guess 2012 passed out or 2013, that range only, right?
Yeah. After that, I'm presently also I'm doing teaching. I want to move to career in IT field. Is it good? Yeah.
Even if you are like having 10 years gap from your graduation, you're not going to show that gap anywhere. You're trying for an AWS role as a 3 years of experience only. You should not keep 10 years in AWS. Since your passed out is like 2020, 13 or 2014, 10 years I'll cover with AWS. Means no, that is not correct. You have to keep only 3 years. Like from 2022 to till date, you're working in some software company as a AWS cloud engineer. Now you are looking for a job change.
Okay. What about the previous? We can put as a teaching itself.
No. Okay. Before 22, you're asking. Yes. Before 22,
Yeah.
keep teaching. But that is not required to keep in resume. At all, they ask
Okay.
only. Otherwise, not required to mention.
Okay.
Hello, hi, this is Kunsanbi. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Please go ahead with your question, please.
Present, I have experience 4.5 with the 12 lakh package. Initially, I haven't to the 3 years of experience. Present, I am trying to with a present experience which I have on
So
Java
now you have
4.5.
experience of 4 years.
4 years.
Okay, and what is your package now?
12 lakhs.
12 lakhs, very good package. So like you want to switch to sorry, I forget to ask you. So what is your current domain? Like what are you working on right now?
Java developer.
Java developer. So now you want to switch to cloud.
Not that much, but basic knowledge I have to learn AWS. I want to
Sure.
go with Java developer as a with plus AWS. How much I
Yeah.
expect in package? Is
Aravind
it
garu,
good
can
to go
you?
that much package 4.5 or else I need to add some other experience like 4 to 6
So you'll get easily 20 lakh package
with 4.5 experience.
because you have a programming knowledge background with cloud skills, right? So definitely you can
Yes.
20 plus.
Okay. Is it good to 4.5 experience?
4.5 means the time by the time when you look for the job change, when you attend the interviews, it will be almost 5 years.
Yes.
For 5 years of experience, 5 into 4 per year, per year 4 lakhs of package. Generally, the market standards for 3 years
Okay.
experience, we can 3 into 4 lakhs means 12 lakhs. For 5 years, can 5
Okay.
into 4 lakhs, 20 lakhs. That is market standard.
Okay. Thank you, Aravind.
So still any questions from anyone? So I hope everyone is good with the complete course now. I'll just like give the course details like from when it is starting and like what are the details and timings, everything. Okay. Yeah. Let me share the screen. Yes. Hope everyone can see my screen, right? I hope everyone can see my screen, right? Can I get a
Yes.
yes in the chat box? Yeah. Thanks for the reply. So see, like as we already like discussed in the session, so this course is on both AWS and DevOps. So this course fee is 20,000 rupees, and the duration of this course is 50 plus days, 70 plus hours of training will be delivered to you, and the timings are we have two batches on daily basis. Okay, morning and evening. The morning batch timings are like 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST, and the evening batch are like 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. Okay, now the batch starting is evening batch. Okay, this batch is starting from 1st of May. 1st May we are starting this batch. Okay, and these batch timings are like evening 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST, and we are starting a morning batch also very soon. Okay, so within like a 12 to 15 days, like we are also going to start this morning batch as well. Okay, so if you're okay with that, like you can join the evening sessions now. And once we start the morning sessions, if you want to join the morning class also, yes, you can join. That's not a problem. Okay, so this course duration is 50 plus days and 70 plus hours of content will be delivered to you. Okay, so in this training, like we are going to cover like around like 5 real-time projects. Okay, so where in any other training institutes they might be covering only 1 or 2 real-time projects, that's it. But here we are covering a 5 real-time projects where it can help you to get the complete hands-on experience. Okay, and each and every session like we are going to record you, and we are going to share the recording with you as well. Okay, and each and every session we are going to share the material and the recording with you, and these you can access from lifetime. Okay, these you can access for lifetime. Okay, lifetime you can access these things, and the batch is starting from 1st of May. The batch is starting from 1st of May. So for the registration process, you can connect us on these two numbers, 810-529-6858, and so you can also connect us on 636163810. These two are our WhatsApp numbers. You can connect us on these numbers and you can proceed for your registration process. We will be available from morning 8 a.m. to evening 11 p.m. will be available. Okay, you can contact us on these numbers. Clear? And we accept all the payment modes. We accept UPI. We accept credit card, debit card, net banking, international transfer, everything like we are going to help you. No need to worry about that. Okay. So on each and every payment mode is available with us. Even the PayPal, everything is available with us. Okay. I'm going to share the payment details also. If you want to pay through UPI details, you can take this UPI details and you can make the payment and you can share the screenshot to us. Okay. So this is the payment details I have shared in the chat box. You can take a screenshot or you can save the chat as well. For more details, you can visit our website as well. So this is our website page link. I'll just like show you the website also. So this is our website. In the website, the rajinformatica.com. In this website, if you can just go to the courses section, if you can click on AWS and DevOps, you are going to see our complete course content here. Okay, our complete course content you can see here. Okay, so if you just fill the details here, name, mobile number, and email ID. So my team will be will get into touch with you. So what are the queries if you have, you can clear all the queries, or else you can give a direct call to on this number, or you can message on this WhatsApp number. We will be helping you for further assistance as well. Okay, so these are the complete course details. These are the certifications that you can clear. This is the complete detailed course structure as well. Okay, you can check out each and every topic here. Okay, yes. So actually the course fee is 20,000 rupees. You can check out here. The course fee is 20,000 rupees. But whoever enrolled today, okay, whoever enrolled today, so they are going to get some discount. They are going to get some discount as well. So the combo course price is 20,000 rupees. We have the individual courses as well. Okay, so we have only AWS, only DevOps courses also. Only AWS course, the course duration is 25 plus days, 35 plus hours of content will be delivered to you, and the same timings, the morning and evening, morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., evening 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. And fee for this AWS and DevOps training is 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees is the price for only AWS. Okay.
One
Fee
thing
for,
here.
yes, please.
Hello.
Yes, please.
What is the difference between DevOps and AWS?
Aravind, are you available?
Yes. So
Yes, please.
AWS is a cloud computing platform. DevOps is like a methodology. It is a process. Are you aware of Agile methodology?
Yes, Agile methodology.
DevOps is an advanced methodology for Agile. The process which we follow to deliver a software application. Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
And one more doubt for me.
Yes, please.
As I said, I was an ETL developer. So what could you recommend for me? Like which is better, like AWS or DevOps, or both is better?
Learning only AWS, that doesn't help you. Even learning only DevOps also doesn't help you. Like both are having some relation. DevOps is always dependent on cloud platform. Without cloud, you cannot learn DevOps. So it's mandatory to learn both. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we also provide only DevOps training as well. So this DevOps training is having like 20 plus days, 30 plus hours of training will be covered here. And the timings are same, morning and evening, morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST, and the evening 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. And the fee for this DevOps training is 12,000 rupees. Okay. 12,000 rupees is the like only DevOps course price. Okay. So if someone want to go for only DevOps, you are going to get a discount of 10% today. 10% discount will be given to you. Okay. And for only AWS also, the course price is 12,000 rupees. You are going to get a discount of 10% here. 10% here. And even if you want to go for both AWS and DevOps, okay, here also you are going to get a discount of 10%. Okay, so 10% of the course fee will be given to you, okay, as a discount. So whoever joined today, only you people will be having this discount, and this discount is available only today. Okay, and this discount is only available today. So if you want to go for only AWS training, so you're going to get a discount of 1,200 rupees, and your price will be 10,800. So if you want to go for only DevOps, your discount will be 1,200, and like your course price will be 10,800 rupees. If you want to go for both AWS and DevOps, so your course price will be 20,000 rupees, and the discount will be 2,000 rupees, and your price will be just 18,000 rupees. So these are the prices available for today. So if you contact me tomorrow and if you want to go for the registration, okay, so we cannot help you here. So the price will be available for only today. So contact my team and complete your registration today so that you will get beneficiated of this 10% discount as well. Okay. And I can save you one more thing as well. See, if you can just like initiate your registration process today, that is enough. You will get this discount. Okay. So we accept the partial payment as well. Everything will be given to you. And we will accept only 15 registrations per batch. We will accept only 15 registrations per batch. So if you register your seat as early as possible, if you register your seat as early as possible, you will be getting this discount and you will be going for this batch. Once we reach this 15 people count, so we will be starting another batch. So if you are the 16th student, you will be moved to the second batch, next batch, like whatever the next batch is going to start, to that next batch, like will be sharing you. I mean, we'll be moving to that next batch actually. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can ask me, please. If you have any questions, you can ask me. You can unmute yourself and you can ask me. For the registrations, you can contact us on these two numbers. Okay, these two numbers you can contact us, 8105296858 and 63616-38108. These two are our WhatsApp numbers and calling numbers as well. You can give a call or WhatsApp on this number and you can complete your registration today. So if you have any questions also, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me, please.
Hello, yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
If I want to register right now, we need to pay entire amount or any split is there?
See, if you go for the complete complete payment, you will be beneficiated with the previous batch first 10 classes recordings also. Okay, and I'll just provide you the schedule as well. Okay, for the first week, our schedule will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, 3 classes will be going with first week. Okay, from the second week, we'll be having a daily classes Monday to Friday. So we'll be having continuous classes, 5 classes a week. Okay, 5 classes a week. In only first week, we'll be having 3 classes. So whatever the time, if you're left with your time, you can complete the first 10 classes recordings also, where we are providing the previous batch recordings, right? You can watch the future sessions before the batch start also. You can watch them and you can complete them as well.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, so no need to worry about that. See, the offer is available for you today. If you just like initiate your registration, the offer will be available. Okay, so how to initiate your registration and everything, you can just contact us on this WhatsApp number. Even I will be available and I can help you on this registration procedure and all. Okay, we will be available till 11 p.m. today.
Sure,
Till 11
thank you.
p.m. No, not only today, every day we will be available from morning 8 a.m. to evening 11 p.m. will be available, and we are a team of 6 people. So anyone from my team will be helping you. If you can just contact us on these numbers.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So any questions from anyone still? So if you don't have any questions, so we can wind up the meeting. Can I get at least yes in the chat box about this? Can we end the meet? Thanks for the confirmation. We got 2 registrations now. Okay, so like try to register as early as possible. So we are only left with 13 seats now. We got 2 registrations now. So we are left with only 13 seats. Okay, so once the seats are filled, if you want to enroll for the batch, so you will be moved to the next batch only. Okay, so when we have a limited people, then only like we can concentrate more on each and every individual, and we can assist you more on this. That is the reason why we'll be going with only limited count. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you for joining session today. So if you haven't shared your mobile number in the chat box, please share your mobile number, your WhatsApp number in the chat box, so that like you'll get today's session recording and You also get the complete course updates group as well. That is AWS and DevOps real-time project WhatsApp group. You'll get both the WhatsApp group link and today's session link also in your chat. If you haven't shared your mobile number yet, you can just share and you can leave the meeting, please. Thank you all. Thank you for joining session today. Have a great day. Thank you all.